omo to Ghana fo anim se omo ba pe Ghana adwadifo nse beka eye women's bank ba pim se mere maye inti omo sra ban abama ne honya ha na bank ne beboa wo ne mo pa
Chamber of Construction Industry had in summer their to abanyanim say yes 7 billion Ghana cedis a ka omode e road fund nim no omuntua.
Ede ne be kire wa kopia o my Ghana ya santima ntem de yen kopia mo kwa da so mensenim na asem members o mo kwa da so ene ahyenkafo akaze e kirem sei e be ye ba kwa ho no eye hyen gina bia ene omo bu adwumaden e wo ye ohwimase junction e che se ne lorry terminal no empenifo bi je no ba be ye fango bia na omo kirem sei emwa adwadifo ene fisa sekafo nti omo nte ase kura ensamo no pina ne kan de be som mo sei enumere no nsia kase wo die ro ha ne nsia echiripo enkron kase fidie so na ye ka mo sei adwuma ko surunku bi e wo man Ghana mu ye dwumade ye di na hote pam ye ne dwumade ye di ato ye bo ase esom eye som pa kwan so ye frɛ yen Fair Group Band na ye kasa Fair Group Band a dwumade ye di ne ne ye wo live band edidi dwuma e live band event bi a betumi aba se be bo ne kama dia ma ye wa anyomtofo a enwum bia nso munim to kyese ommode mo so ani pam e bia wo ye wedding wo ye wo to wankasa wo bedin naming ceremony e bia na bedin to bi koso a anase birthday parties wa na wudi wa woda na ebia ne wasu adwuma apon kwase bo ne beka ne say graduation anase mpo ana ebia na church programs nso no mudwumedi ahoto ampese mukohie mu no montos monsa emfamfra Fair Group Band ye ba medofo ye beso so mpa kwanto papa every same ye wo quality sound and ye sanso professional instrumentalist and ye wo quality instrumental ye ba medofo we ne beje pa odwumedi na sankasa na opa chi akwan a ye watema committee 22 bawro so inside honoma and ye butum ye bo no so da form pass na nanom nante ye homa trufo ni 0242 965 391 0242 965 391 and 0541 149 741.
Men kanfo in supapa be Adjoa so Ghana fo ne amanonifo ni na agye atum se eye nsu a wono ma ni pedua no etimi ebo adwuma ye na FD nso ede stamp etimi ede esiso na oba nkrampopini mantem ha no ma ye so distributors bebra se oba modin akọ no ma onso nsa betimi aka Lumba supani bisanso na oba eye DLFM ye premises hanom ye were not Legon opposite Wisconsin International University oba won sabetimi aka Lumba supani bi na dodo na wo pe eto aton a ne wa frame penifo e we 0549 889685 and 0549436616
na ye gusu aka mo say pram homo afehye no ne braso nyankopon ya atoma osana bosuma yewu ne etoso dunan ekopem ne de etoso aduasa mechira from 14th August ekopem 30th August pram homo afahye na be de pa free same eye fast trade and afin so pram na matren konwena mde dwumade sunku we no eba na yato ne din say fast trade cultural and food festival pram eho be ye ni kambasa on the 14th ekopem 30th no dwumade ni todwa ewo pram Anglican Park enya simkuma medofo bo ahona bra ye bia no on the 14th August na ye bia no wie pe the next day na be 15th no ye be music and cultural display and entade ya African way ye ne aye di papa bi ne ye bo nwom pa masa obe fili FM brutal pram be ye de tum on the 16th no ekopem 17th enu ye vocational training day 1 and 2 ye be kire nsa ne dwuma papa bi obetumi akosi adwuma bi a wo pa kapre untua bi da ho no ma wa be say yes wa brabo no wanya nkoso pam ye be san so ye act and drawing competition on the 18th no ntimedofo yi umpe we na wo pe kaya motum agudie mu nse nyina be to dwa nya sibukuma nwumpire na be koso pram wo yu hu firi ma dofo aso be ye hye ne nyina ne se dwede ebeba wade akoso 24 hour economy bibia pese okoton betumi akoton a we be firi afam brutal wonse apese okoton bibi ho no monso betumi akoton ne kama we ne beje pa ne bonso be kofom tibo aho enkopo ya adoma on the 14th August ekopem 30th August pram afahye no DLFM ye ginemu a dwumade we enya semkuma kram bo aho na ye nkɔ ne bibia enya fine na enfame we na dwuma ku asan se ne me ye ntena se na enya mfa enumre no nsia ka sebo no emu nkyeremu mesomo edi a meje so ye wofa osi ade yo de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ma wutedin ane bantwere bona na watafrija mene mo fa seba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye da ya ho ye pa ya de kasebo no nkyeremu ankasa ebesomo nansa na no me wo fa se rose gold usidi ye kasebo no eye de ba dia
wadama eba na nsempatie amamu nsem di ya kasebo de hinta nyina aha ne pa hontama DLFM 106.9 kasebo no nie aha ne nyina yetie
DL News.
Yamamo akwapa. Afi tumlike ne hia yen. Ewo Facebook ana afi se YouTube. Na yemfa kasebo no enchiremu ensam. Na Ghana fo beka ya. Na eye osana abosom de to so ntia. Ewo mfimpim yi no ne aduonu nsia mu a. We aduonu num metire 6th August 2025. Ana beto odwa say, "Oh my Ghana, aka na oswafo no hwe ya ho ba monse metire former Minister for Defense. Doctor Omane Buama ana afi nso aka na oswafo no men ohwe ya tena ye abode mu nyansape ene abefo kwan ya faso di dwuma metire former Minister for Science ana afi Environment Innovations oniminyamfo me wofa ase Mutala Mohammed a wonye ne ba bi kro adihire ni pode ensia kan mo mode ade o mo chire mu wo boase a na mo kwa kire Ghana adihye a mo wo boase ne potem kwampa ye befo se betumetu fu magudie na yetunu kwampa so se be ya yensu a yesese no ya tena ye ne enipa bi didi agura emedu baabi anya de wahodo ensem fata na eka Ghana adihye be wo no na ne ba ne nsa ye be yedu ne na ye be ye gese nwonwunan sa se ayese fonoma ene ananse ne de nam kurum na mo kwara na fofia ntote na wadware abamu a mihye mo de nam kwanya nkwanhye oboase akurufo mpotem hono ma adihye ye twede ya mponyankopon edia ne dua impenifu akasa ede afom hyehyɛ pɔ mo yedi to hɔ mo man Ghana meka se mprempro penipɔ no gyina mu sɛ ɔhwɛ akyire sɛ man Ghana ɔsoafo a ɔhwɛ ho bambɔ nsɛm so no kura ya nso no da man Ghana sika sɛm ano mekyerɛ Dr. Kesrato Bafosen wakasa akyire m sɛ ɔbɛsrɛ Ghana fo nyinaa yɛmfa nsɛmmɔ ne nase mu ɔden ɛmfa ma aka ne man Ghana defense minister Dr. Edward Omane Buama papa yi wohwɛ man Ghana kanifu ɛbɛsom yɛ wɔ man yi mu a ne bɔde bɔne di twam chesedu baabi mpo a odo no ane nkwa esi honom se be ya Ghana men aho ba mo nse be kon ka na men yakwa animu e wo mpuntuo mum na Dr. Atuba Force ne chirim say wo hwe Dr. Omane Buama na kanie honhoma oda na de na yade a e kire say odi ne dwuma se de se be pepe kwesi bo ne be ka ne say commitment to professionalism na o ya ade papa chese yo obi a tutu ne dwuma di ase enipa fa hundi na ho ba mo nsem na on fa ni agorokra na hwe kwampa ofa so somye na osum man Ghana hu abedum pempenso ese Ghana fo betena se mpenifu adwene na o man Ghana so hwe ho ba monsem betena Ghana Armed Forces no ye betumi ama akade omuhia nyina no wonom sa etimi aka ode send to dwamra na wonom ye nkyerɛkyerɛ ewo ede afa akane o man Ghana osoafo no hwe o man ya ho ba monsem so Dr. eye Omane Buama edwumade to dwa ewo bema ho ewo ne ebrada osana bosom de toso nan ewo mfimpim ye ne du nsem no de nsem we ede to dwa na Dr. Atuba Forsen etirema wo hwe Dr. Omane Buama modern boy e wo man Ghana mu a pepe yi somosompa chese otumu say yes ye kanipa na ni abre pass up so wo bona Ghana ho ba monsem kon kana pepe yi ne modern bo ne de twam kura o kirem se ne Dr. Omane Buama modern bo ne hye podo to wo man Ghana no akon kan pa menne o man Ghana ho ba monsem enam kwantodo ne kwantene ne so a ekwere ne mu pam enti obesere Ghana fo ya ka akiri yamo ye ho modern pa say Dr. Edward Omane Buama hyehyɛ pɔdo tu hɔ gya man Ghana no enya sapamayen na akanifu akanso emfa so ne nyinaa no yɛma mɔden na yɛntumi nsua na mo ɔman ne yɛmfa Ghana de hye ɛne ɔman Ghana nyinaa emfa nkɔbɔhyɛ asase so Dr. Atuba Forsen ekyirem sɛ yɛhwɛ akane ɔsoafo ne mɔden bɔ boy a wohwɛ amanyosem ahodo mɔden bɔ agɔpɔyɛ na wobɔ ɔman Ghana bakɔsɛm ɛfa ho ba mɔnsɛm ne mapɔ betwa to hɔ ne sai watwa na in fact nipa bɔ wɔgya ne so wa bɛkyɛ wa hwɛ a ɛnkɔ wona bɛhehe mu kra na wo kirem say obesere Ghana fo nyina ya hwera de efiri say saa wire mihye yakwanya nkwanhia ewo sana bosom de toso nsia ewo mfimpim ye na aduonu nsia aduonu num mu no o my Ghana in fact ya yiwade.
He believed in leadership anchored in service and the national interest. As Minister for Defense, he worked to build a modern and capable Ghana Armed Forces. He focused and placed great importance on the welfare of our service personnel. This lecture series will keep his ideals alive. It will promote dialogue. It will inspire leadership. It will also encourage future generations to serve Ghana with integrity and patriotism. Our speakers, the planning committee, the Pope Jones Old Boys Association, and our sponsors, and everyone who made this event possible. To all our distinguished guests, thank you for being here today. Your presence honors the memory of our exceptional brother and a son of Ghana. On behalf of the Ministry of Defense, I warmly welcome you all and wish you fruitful and memorable lecture. May the legacy of our dear brother, the late Dr. Edward Kofi Omanebuama, continue to inspire us all. May God bless the Ghana Armed Forces. May God bless our homeland Ghana. Thank you.
Any awuti ye ayo swafo no ena wohwe Omanga na sika asem so no kure ya nso no yo swafo ginemu say otihwefo edema Omanga na so ya ehwe ya hobambo ensem so mekira acting defense minister Dr. Kesela Toba Forsen ena wote ne nkan na no achi na group chief executive officer edema CDH eye financial holdings limited Dr. Emmanuel Edusa Akwade ekopia dwumadi na se kirim say in fact yehwe akane Omanga na swafo a no hwe ho ba monsem so pa Dr. Edward Omanebuama oh nakopon fa ne kransie wo hwe akwan ofa so enya to ho ache honhom ene omama pasu bampo da na di omanyimu a Ghana hwrade ne yempa bone se benya ne saso omam sede hwehwe po ye no oman betumi atoa so.
If Ofamanko had a conversation with us, perhaps we would not have vandalized it. He would have told us why we needed to keep the railway lines going, why we needed to keep our airlines going, why we needed to keep our shipping lines going, and not vandalized it. Omani was fiercely patriotic. He didn't understand why someone will cut a pole just because he wanted to sell scrap. He didn't understand why someone will lift the iron bar in the middle of the road, which has been put there by the state. That's why he wanted to do something in the security services. It is this man we have met today to honor. And I pray that we'll have a good heart to listen in and have a conversation with ourselves and within ourselves to begin the process of developing ourselves first before we look for the goods that come. For us, Schumacher said, development does not begin with goods. It begins with people, their education, organization, and discipline. And I pray that today we'll start that conversation. On that note, thank you very much and God bless you.
Ani awuti ye ona ye kofale ba mechire group chief executive officer edema CDH Financial Holdings Limited. Dr. Emmanuel Edusa Akwade ena mote ne nkan enti papa aka na Ghana ye defense minister Dr. Edward Omanebuama twide yampo yakopon onfa ne kra enfensive sempenisi ye du amanfon so a na yakaya anom emu oya pa sika emu oya emu oya
afenso de encheba
oh se yakopon ya adoma ya wade be ya wahunu ya wade be ya na ese afia no on the 6th August nti na fen hia na ho hyehyia ne mpenifo gu so omoye den won moye nti yakopon fa ne kra nya den enfensie ehu hia papa nti na mehwe ase nka wofa nka mete ne kan akra wa ha na nka eja maye wa na otu bi wa ha but mehwe se menya ne voice ba ku bi na wote ase no ho ne voice ba ku bi na nka ye de aka Ghana for former defense minister Dr. Edward Omanebuama amehwe se mekai ba ko wa ha mamenkai.
I spoke about the 2024 transfer of ammunition from the Ghana Armed Forces to the then National Security without due consultation and authorization, which the present National Security Coordinator is seeing to that investigation. Just when I thought that was being addressed, we have uncovered another one, and in that case, theft of ammunition. And that was even before the 2024 transfer of ammunition from the Ghana Armed Forces to the National Security. I'm bringing these issues out there for us to know that the ammunition found in the hands of civilians may not just have come from the ingenuity of those civilians securing them, but may have come from complicity of people who are tasked with responsibility.
And is ni etwagu ya Dr. Edward Omanebuama ye ne ba bi kro in fact mo ya na yensan kai former environment science and technology oniminyamfo Mutala Mohammed nso in fact ba mu ha Ghana ono so nsem kakra emire bi atwam waka fa plastics hu ni
over 400 million tons of plastics are produced globally, with a significant portion ending up in our oceans, rivers, forests, and even in the foods we consumed. Ghana is not spared from this crisis. Our markets, beaches, and drains are choked with single-use plastics, threatening biodiversity, public health, and sustainable development. But today, we are not here to lament. We are here to commit to solution. We are here to say enough is enough.
Yankopon for currency pa because Ghana ya hurade yento akase bo no so
wa kasiebone so na Ghana Statistical Service for hwehwe mu abetoja HM say eye bribe omutua e wo man Ghana mu no enkosi eye mfimpi mienu ne aduonunum ni mu de nipa beye nso efri edu mu na chese bribe no omutua bi nso no etimi eye ho report say omukotua sika bi eye ade omusanso esre so mbetua foforo ede aka ho na ya ade nso omudi tuja HM say eye mfimpi mienu ne aduonunum eye first half no bribe omutua no epeja ni mu free eye 14.3% e de call 18% e was second half ni ma na chese nipa ba ko efri ensia mu ana omutua bribe e de ma eye public officials omo e wo man Ghana mu na ye government statistician na ye Dr. Alhassan Idrisu ekasa e wo governance series event aye three report ene eye Ghana Statistical Service for eye enebna osana abosomne de toso enan e wo mfimpi mienu ne aduonu nsia mu ana oche mu so munhwehwe mu omo ye na chese busumi nsia mu a na edi eba bewura mfimpi mienu ne aduonu nsia mu ana chese omo hu ni sasane esese enu niama esifa akono bribe na peja ni mu ye pa wo de toto mfimpi mienu ne aduonu nan de ni mu dia na chese ya de enu na etimi epeja ni mu ye papa pan na ya de nso omo chire mu a yesika hodo nso so omo tua ya na eno enka sika hodo na wo so omo tua ho no epeja ni mu free eye 51% e de call first half e de ma eye mfimpi mienu ne aduonunum no epeja mu e call 69% e wo second half ni ma na chese no so no etimi apeja ni mu akoso ye papa na mu chema ya ade a aban no ebo ne homodi ase hwemu ahodo mo beye no ebefa eye mantam dunsia wo man Ghana mu nyina so so atimi ahu kwan a eye bribe no so no omutua e wo man Ghana mu no so betimi ayensese enhye ya ahodo a ebetimi aboa na nsakraye so no etimi aba man Ghana mu nti we ne nsem a eye Ghana Statistical Service for ede atuja
yantoa kasebon so ne yemfira so ye man Ghana ehwe yankunta abuosuo na yemfia ni mfankyere mu ewo ekwan so kwese eye enhyehye mu na meka sei okwankyerefo pani ono na o man Ghana odan ya na so ya eno no ehwe dwuma se bedi na aboa na o man Ghana ekwan so kwese dwumadi akonka de amayen meche Director General Edema National Road Safety Authority me wafa so liminyamfo Abraham Amanepa akase chirim se watena se adwene ho a agye odwene ho a onte ase ɔte asensa wonwe ho ede ne yehuni wo hwɛ o man Ghana enkwanhye wo de sisi ya kwantempon so a ɛyade akase hia pa ese nko man Ghana mpanimfo ne yankwankora ka biegom yede ne de akyire pa ne nyina kobom se sabe bo ba kumu ade ne yete akyire na yetumi boa na yakwanso edwodwo no edum pempen so a na se sabe yetwe ne se panibon a wayi mframa wo bedwam asemfo bia ho na nipa ma ewu se sabe nkokɔ ɔde se de tudwamra na wanom epa road travel safety for a tourism project jumedi etodwa no ne menyamfo amane ba kirem sei ehu benya pa sa Ghana ni bia wo manyim be ma nani akọ ekwanso kwese jumedi ehum efiri hyenkani mate ni omampeni asoafo bia ofa kwantempo so sesem oni da hopa ne nyina yebo apam na ya papa ka se kirem sei ade ba ko no odwen ha wonte ase ne sei edum pempenso a eniema yekum Ghana de hyententem no mpenifo ni nkwa ho ena ho ya kwantempo so nkwanhie ekoso a de bia da na nkwanhie si afi bekwa ne yebu nkonta o afi atwa min ene nkwanhie ni pewi ye mpempem abesen kɔ aka ahyen be yese na enya nkwanhia enipa dodo se ne pra dodo se ne wuye ne yakwa asan betena afi beso na asan ba biu te se nipa de bia da yete ABCD o kirem a COVID-19 ba o man Ghana na ohwa ho keka o man Ghana mpenifo de sika bi hye mu no hwe Ghana de hye pa bo mode hohoro wonsa jese ne distance na Ghana ni kwa na ohwe ne hu ye se be ya COVID enchenom na so kwabra ne kwafo ka na wotim otor mum jese shenkan ni din kwa asema asabe yemfa ne ho kra otim ze na okuku ne simple kra shenkani overspeed na yeka ontie emfa ne ho police officer gina kwa ho a de ohia ya ne 2 Ghana cedis ne 20 Ghana hia no kra se nimpa nkwa edi shenkani di sabi nsem hu na emfa ne ho o kirema suba we yi ka ho menne Ghana nkwanhia no sora ne kɔ obesro ma Ghana mpenifo pempenso ye dress wo man no ye momodin pa ne ye kwaso dwodwo ho hyehyeye no yemfa nya dwuma obi na fam de hyenkane a wutwi hyen medofo nipa nkwa na okita nya sabe fanisa kosua enya bode ene ntosi ne gum na gba ho ban sebe ye nkwanhia de bia da kwei eso betumi atem na oniminyamfo amane ba ka se kirem se hyehyɛ we na hyehyɛ pa hoto am mpenifo aka bia wom nyina betumi atɛkyire and afinsi tourism authority mpenifo mu nyina ta wo machi sei wanam eboa ne ya create awareness ye bode wuro kokobɔ na Ghana ni a ofa kwantempɔn so sɛ woyɛ trotro driver sɛ woyɛ VIP driver sɛ woyɛ express driver anase wumpo wanka sɛ ukita private car no mama wani akwa ho pa sɛ bɛyɛ fatalities nkwanhya wo de wɔkɔ so ani pa nkwan firi yensa no ɛso betumi ate o kyem sɛ ne ka Ghana ni edwina konkan pa nke behu ne sɛ o maga gye sɛ ne punto gyina nipa so na nipa ma ne yɛku wom na Ghana da akye wɔ hefa ɔbɛtere yɛ nyina yɛ mɔ na Ghana nkwanhya no ɛso nte onimi nyamfo Abraham mama ne bakasa yɛ no emu nkyere mu no enie.
When I took over office at the National Road Safety Authority, I realized that the kind of attention given to road crashes is not the same as we give attention to air crashes. And yet, road crashes kill more people than air crash. And as I speak today, road crashes has killed more people than COVID. But look at the way we marshal resources against COVID. You don't marshal the same resources for road safety to protect you. You see the misplaced priorities. We are just sending our money to wrong places. So why wouldn't you have that same issue that all of you came here to talk about? You are not, as a people, resourcing the institution that is supposed to ensure. If we had half of COVID money given to us, we could have stopped all this carnage. But it's not time for lamentation, isn't it? It's time for us to look at ways and means by which we can resolve the matter. So when the executives came to see me sometime last year, I think the Vice President and Madam President came and some few others. At the reception, I was told that ex-workers of Ghana Tourism Authority wanted to see me. I said, what do I have to do? Ex-workers of Ghana Tourism. So I actually thought that they were coming to me as a lawyer, because if they are ex, that means they have problems with their agencies. Maybe pension money is not paid, you know. Then I also said, but the person they will want me to sue is my sister. How can I sue her? But I said they should come. So when they came, they started talking about how they want to partner the institution to do road safety.
Any awoti ye eye oswafo no ana o my Ghana. Oba adwumadin ye pa. So wohwe na ekwan so kwese dwumadie akonkan ede ama o my Ghana mekire Director General de ma National Road Safety Authority. Me wa fa so ni minyamfo Abraham Amaneba ana mote ne nkan. No wie ye pe na dwumene na se no Chief Executive Officer de ma Ghana Tourism Authority. Me wa fa se mamiefua eye hadijo anasa hagito. Ekasa na wo kire mi se yamfa asedane na ase pam na yamfa ma eye Ghana ex Ghana workers of Ghana Tourism Authority mpenifo ma ya de papa mo de mo na konkane na ohwe ntiase wo manya so mo ba time mpenifo achi ene wode mu nyina kwaso kwese dwumadie no ye nyina yeta akire ne ya de akonkane enti okirem se Ghana ni bi asade se ya kase kwaso kwese dwumadie anya ba akofo bi asade da bi nya ba akofo dia ye nyina vise owo ni ba ka obi a wote onam kwantempon so a wokro de onam kwan ne nchen de otihye mu kɔ obi abetuma nya nkwanhia enti obi amfa ne hunyune ne nyam asa be ya nkwanhia kɔ ya kwan so no eso betumi ateme wo fase mamiefua enkomo no emu nkyire mu nie.
It's a fantastic initiative, and I believe that my colleague Honorable Amaleba and myself and all the other executives here, of course the Council President has also assured you of our support to make sure that this project is successful. Now let me read the speech itself. It's a pleasure to be here this morning to support the launch of Project Road Safety for Tourism, an initiative whose importance extends far beyond the tourism sector. I wish to commend the Ghana Tourism Authority Ex-Staff Association, GATEX, led by Madam Adjoa Agyei, for bringing together key institutions around a cause that concerns every one of us. Road safety is not the responsibility of one agency alone. It is a shared national responsibility, and today's partnership reflects exactly the kind of collaboration we need. Today's launch is very timely. It is also fitting that this launch coincides with the anniversary of Ghana's transition to right-hand driving.
Eni a wuti ye ono ana waye chief executive officer at the Ghana Tourism Authority. Me wafa se mami efua eye hojito ena moteni kana mani boya nsem twreni. Same Opoku Brown ena different ka premantemo ebesomo ye.
Yantua Kasiabone Sona President at the Ghana Tourism Authority Ex-Staff Association Egates Miss Adeline Boatin Eden Semediato Yashenkafoni Nani Muso Mama dear her son so monam a quan hono Omo betimi abo so enkwa ehoban no chiema hwe ye betimi aboa amoyetimi aginipa bebren kwa enso ewo man Ghana mu ene yakwantempo so no din semi editujwa ewa bra na omo lanchi road travel safety for tourism project efa 52nd anniversary of Ghana transition from right hand to left hand driving anodin semi editujwa no chiemu sa Ghana yebeka ya mpempen so yet oman yetimi adu ene kwan ya omo so afa so betimi abonipa ho kwan enkwa ho ban ewo ya kwan so no se etimi hwe se betimi akwa animu na nhye ahodon so wose hye se ya kwan so no ye betimi asiesie na chese bibia etimi akoso ye no ye momodin anye mpuntujuma ahodo wose etimi ye ewo ya kwan so nyina no ye nye se ne be ye beboa ne etimi so ahwe se nipa so kwan so no ebetimi ehia yen no san so ekasa ye echemu se ye road safety a enye se akwanhia nkwa no musi ano kwan na emom se wo nipa ho enkwa ho ba na omuso ne omabusuafo atimi atena se ache na mpuntujuma atimi akoso ewo man Ghana na gidi a yetememfo no so benya ewo dwumadi a oman ne so edi ne betimi atena ho.
By God's grace, we are here today for a media launch of the very first of our project, which is an advocacy program for road travel safety and arouse interest in domestic tourism in Ghana. We realize that the impact that road safety has on destination Ghana cannot be overemphasized and has become an issue of concern which impacts travel decision making. This, we believe, affects tourism growth and development tremendously. Permit me to cite some examples here which cause travel anxiety. Think of the poor state of our roads. Think of overspeeding. Think of inadequate road markings, reflectors, and pedestrian crossings. Think of poorly lit roads and inadequate signage. Think of negative road mannerisms, including issues of road rage. Think poor driver education. Most of the time, commercial drivers especially use apprenticeship rather than the use of driving schools to learn how to drive. Think lack of training in defensive driving. Think lack of respect for traffic lights by motorists, including motorcycle users, tricycle and bicycle riders. Sometimes when you get to traffic lights, you don't know whether they have the right of way or you who have the right of way when it's green. Steep road bumps and poorly laid rumble strips. Think of poor management of accident victims and sites.
Eniya Utiye, President at the Ghana Tourism Authority Ex-Staff Association, Miss Adeline Boatin, na Maniboyen same Choni Sami Opoku Brown, and a debesomye.
Yantua Kasiabon Swe, ne yina mu ewan crying. Pumpreman Temni and Copiemo, our Busu can potem. Na Abusu kind spare part dealers association. Equania Bruta. One of the others at the ato abanim say. One of best penny for Semra. Ya papa, Ghana man penny John Dramadi Mahama. Any o man penny abede Professor Jane. Nana Opoku Agyei. What am I born to? Adeto o man Ghana Jadi for him saying. Yanko po ya dom na about o musaka to me o mo ba pe. Ghana for Sabeka Sikapa be fan say woman bank. Eno be boa pa ma Jadi for a mudi dwa. Na o mani abeso person bob na betumi akwaje bosia honom. No me dia hye o mu dwadim titiri ne ma no na emra openi pa wono ene wada abusuo kan dealers association ku no oya o kasamafo me che mu PRO ye Mr Benjamin Techiado emra oto ne nsafra yensem twene imanu no poku adusi kopie mu wone na wakasa dia for my Ghana media budget review no ho no chirim say yen kan kire Ghana fo na enkodu Ghana mampeni anim say obetre papa John Dramadi Mahama nensema hoto a okanye enwa ne wopre tumi no omo no homoden sei obe ne tenten na Ghana fo ani die kira ye twen ne pam o kire ma se wohwe media budget presentation na oswafo no hwe o men yesika sem so de kotu ma hye bedwam no na so mo kire m sei sa women's development bank no won sensem no akwati saying asa chire din o omo nche dante ho asem eye bosha oman omo sha ye no chire ma oswafo hwe sika asem kra chire mi say aban je she party sika papa na sika pidi agu akwam so mabeboa na sika kra bia de apa na emma dwadifo ho haro nanso bepem ne yante ho asem na wo chire ma say no Dr. Kesra to ba forcing e de beto Ghana fo nyina nim say Ghana man penny sika botene 400 million Ghana cedis aba mode de akwase we de nka yemfa mo pa na yemfa nya fapem emfa ma women's bank na me body se be ya Ghana fo ma e betuma kwaje bosen mu otu na mo de ahye modwadim na se bi manya sika de ahwefie ne me ma no kora fonfon chese sika ni fie nti me ma ne nyina o ma yehodwo se nkontom na kaja enti we se man nsa ka be boapam dwade mu die no ne ma konkan etimi de ma wo no o kire ma sesei a se adina kwakwaya ne ho kwesi enkwesi kwada nkwada enti o mesro mampanin we de se o man kasa budget o maka ho nsem no ehu hia Ghana dwade 43 ne ma no enti amama na moroto na ma ne ho nya ha na Ghana fo twan women's bank ebebo ma Ghana fo ma adwade nsensem akonkan me wa fa se Benjamin Techiado nkomo no emu nkire mu nie
o hwe your expectation esa se akwa media budget no expectation na nyi tuwasa bana sa women bank no wole ne major ipama edwadipo esa se mani ntra na o me yehu se omo roadmap no se by end of 2026 no omo commence bank no na omo twesike go e from million Ghana cedis AC Bonia omo de omo shase which is very good because in paper no ye ma me for you no ma ye no jomu de no ukoji loan no other banks na interest rate to ya it ya affect omo because sometimes we try loan na loan interest in 40% with this space of 2 years no o principal be double because interest no you can't until mama obetu scan tu it will my hope say by the end of 2026 there any na yet yebi ebe commence almost there na e okay wo o ma introduce new tax bi aso bi na gbe for so na e for say bi o ma be introduce new tax no o share budget na so far there I'm start be corrected since you na any fear you say budget media budget no you people no introduce new tax bi ba ko media be shim but this is the first time I hear who be sir it no so far there so far so good I think say on percentage there no more 90% concern the media budget.
Enti media budget ne de ye na mom women's bank no ye twen eno ne yensan ka yenti ye mom 90% na kura ne de mo ye de beje ane mo fa ase Benjamin Techiado na owie na wosan kire mu say omanya ne mo asanya ne tie say aban ye hihye bi ode ba say ahyenya hoto a ebi na enya nkwanhia savage na abrofo na tam dese de si ayi isubonto so de aba ship ma ba Ghana na omo de aba na Ghana fo akoto penti hu say ko ne de nam krum ye de fedi pass enche na enya nkwanhia na ase na Ghana fugu omo kirem say ahyene mi so ayedada empenifo chenso ba bande ni nyina mma bia ma Ghana we no kirem say de adia Ghana mpenifo munya botre muntetie break sese ye kasai Ghana ahyene bi nam kroma na ebu no pa utumi say we de sese waya abere wa posto anka so okona ho mugiem nanso pension che no efie yento oguso ya adwuma de ahwe abusia nkakra wo krom sa na de se omoka se mo ba ne sa aka se ne ade a abiadifo ne bia so ba hwe o amanfo sika akwa hwem nya de wa enti monya botre nkakra kan bi ho no matumi se wedi anya eno de moka se mo mane ma yete ase ne mo bi ho no matumi se wedi enke betuma nkakra nkra magana de ya adwuma kama siesie ne fine ne de mo mane mra ebesa ebeboa ne moya ne sa se wedi ma bia ma sa ade a ahokyere baba Ghana ahyenkafo ne omoto ba wesa bluta
2020 mokaya ye pass le bi e Customs Amendment Act yes savage me fa savage kan for mambwa o ka tilata pai relata pai wa ya pai se me pamba abandada no e ma me ye ho campaign champion pa man ka we implement no 1st November that's 2020 no we did pa e gbefu bi bufu ye say me nya ne me ye na ndi e ba ndi na e pa me ko omo twetwe say ye no na ka o jam ka che say omo twetwe say dia ye mpushi no mfa ko pa no to mo ye de omo twem e gbefu bi na amwame ne ko da ho ene ye say 1st of October ye bani over 8 cars in your document no be savage e ka ho bi a clean title na car ya Z car na wo de ba no azet car no obonya clean title when fa that's the question ma me mo bi deceive obi o obonya no when say ne enya abada dam de so ene so enya enye almost say all the car so ba so bi to car no kwa na brand kwa de ba ha kwa a o de ba ye cross go 35% ono so no maintain one say bia ye so almost say o my amendment we should see the document ni ngina so ya de be come say is good because that 35% no one amendment ni mo no ono no What the car never ha. Original manufacturer some more say no. Your mom tax exemption for 3 years. But what to the moon now what the car never now who can what on the brand new. You see what the car never ha. Who bet your penalty of 35% because the car's in there over there. Na eye ko kai bo he bomb mu a but na car etimia pempa wo se ka wo dia mo apa no no so yesi fa ma yeti ase car isuo afa no ewo mu pa no yesi me fa ba say savage ni nya no ewo atini nobody can dispute that he atini
enti openi Paul no ana wa yakasama for edema abosuo kan spare part dealers association me wo fa se Benjamin Techi Ado ana wo kire mi say savage ni de ye pe there ya accident once and they are told to nsum le momfa nko ene ye mfa anye hwe ena wote ne nkan na mane boy ye nsem twire ni be ma ho fedu ya nwini ahofa adwa no me wo fa se 10 gramo Emmanuel opoku adusi e ma ne frɛ ne DJ active na de amane boy Africa bo premantemu e de besom ye na yanko Facebook so mo fa se Richard Ahwede aba no so ma yadwo Sammy B ne Adjoa Agyei Sikapa Monko so anso Ghana for what na kase bon de mu oda na ne nyina nam DJ Ghana man free so betri station DLFM next emu da ho blue time oda ya se kase bon yo na pobam ode aba na me wafa se active TVGH ode aba na o se Nyankopon ne ye wo ho wai Ebiniza Nyankopon ko so anka ye ho na Kofi Parliament de aba na o se Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ne Adjoa Agyei Sikapa ya da mase monko so anya adwumaden fa ma da Ghana o hwe live di free agona wo bi kuma pa na ode ba ye na Sandra Abeka de aba na o se o mayadwo DL News o hwe live e di free time free zone DL News ne de yo na popa Lumba nsupa so age babia monko to bi no mwate na munya nkwa nsuo ba kwa wono ma nkwa age Lumba nsupa wono ma wuwu ntem na Master Planner Junior Kintampo de aba na o se communication officer Kintampo North President Mahama and his NDC government have then o ma feli Ghana na me mo mabu awie obumu wie enti abotre na nu so twen ope oso de nchema honabo David Boache Bunu is regional secretary Sir maintain and what they can home offer say Master Planner Junior Kintampo enkomodie nie na mo offer say na adwempa hene odi asempa the second what take nim na said we feel kase bo no ne passengers no senior work there oso wo here life no sense tie yen ti yankopon kan ye ho odi asempa chena me adoma abetem nka wate be prepare kira mo bebe yaduro no yekọ agropama so a Bismarck Mambize adu se watena se na me wofa se Emilia Brobe what's it dear sports and it is saying
hello my name is Emilia Brobe you listening to DL Power Sport
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9
na se me wofa ever since amamfa na nko World Cup no yantene nka wofa na ego no da se she
Must spring it up. Now, if you want some back, as I said, you're my dunkunim. Born of my head. My shall go, Mukato go.
Wafanya shego neza wafantana no ntu wie ye. Ena Ghana Friday wafa bro. Obi aye kwa World Cup pa na wafa gina kire tuntena sei. Mamfa na nko. Ede awudi semni. Ana yenkwatie wem na sisi a.
Mizaka Sante, Mizaka Sante, Asante, Mizaka Sante, watch your money, Mizaka Sante, Borike! Mizaka Sante, Borike!
Wafa se Bismarck Mambize atena se kwa ne chairman akwaba na gudie mu sansem akropama so nkomodi ahodo atwagwa no ofa ne nyina besme latest update what a sports ofa besme me wakase bon so Bismarck Mambize mpom design
ofa nhyaba bibia aboko so ye
o nyame ado meton kan ma feel brutal
yeah bibia hye
na awiens bibia ko find
oh yes
onya bibi kakra tu mu de
oh yes ade achi enko ade a
ade a
acha sunyame
oh na den
anomario
na mfampo a semji adamanti
oh yes
sa na anu me bae dey na mbaye e man commentary that was I think say Sunday no mtese na moje me bae na ese me table no so ma ye so fam me hu say e pae
onu ko
semji prepare kire o
ase apeda na besira no
sa Oh, some Jane kai.
I saw the one no about
Eda bi wonim mane ma me da. Wo de mo no anhye me da. Kyerɛ sɛ me se some Jane anhye me da.
Say bi adase
O hye me da me ame ba.
Okay,
ono anhye me da.
O tie ntu de.
Aha, some J. Me sra wo de hye me da. O pa testing. Ana sɛ ka kyerɛ basement wo ka kyerɛ me. Wo hye me da me ba. Den a be hye me mom de sɛ wo hwɛ time am de wo esi so de a. Aso be hye bi ta.
Oh, onu zo ni mo bia
ka. Oni mo bia nti wo de hye me da. Hye me brɛ keke me ba wate. Na akɔpɛ eyakumakume ba ko bi wo kantamanto. Na medim de aba fie. Wonu makumakume.
Ko mo kana.
Da bi de mo ku sei. Akumakume.
Eno de.
Wonu sɛ ye wo ba ko bi wo hɔ a ye frɛ ne sɛ tawoto. Wonim tawoto.
Tawoto. Eno de minim.
Wonim tawoto.
Minim tawoto. So eno am de.
Ene ye wo chachaw. Wonim chachaw.
Chachaw ne de ahenema na.
Ahenema. Oh me wo fa si sana wonim amamla ne abakɔsɛm. Wonam ne susa.
Ahenema kwa mi obi ofie ne ntuma nyina wa ne kente nyina. Oh yes.
Wondi sɛ Taylor.
David. Me asa me ba wedding ana say anhwe e be Jones.
Sneakers nko a. So ya be mu a. Nyini nti sa ne ma ne say
sneaker. Me wate kokɔ so na na me nti no. Oh yes.
Odi sika tom Prada.
Yes.
Wow, me say de
say kutu say bamfo ne de.
Say kutu say bam.
We dia no na mpempi na ma yentimi ntutu ntuma nze aka deka.
We dia ne te say.
Say ya etwi form. Dodo na gu form.
So tenten na ni amwa.
Ah, nka me so wa.
Ense obetumi twetwam na ja se be yesese asa na wa fa 3.
Odi she dia se o friend fuza.
Santo na umfra ntoma. Santo no umfra ntoma.
Na nom twoma na.
O se otulu nyina se
Adjoa se mi akaguma so de. Adjoa na nka we de.
O se de zika se de.
Adjoa.
O se de.
Ya pa se wa. Me si nanado krefura.
Nanado se ofra ntoma. Unse ne height nti na wo kan enya boni o.
Me de mini abi.
Ye kan mpa na wo no mo hye dan wa wo mayima nanado ye former president. Nye se yes no. Reality nanado ofra ntoma kama. Ntoma fra ne de ye wa na wo fra ne yie.
Nanado obe waseme kakra.
Nanado once no.
Nanado once.
Na bi once no.
Former president.
Ni mu na edu sene o. Na ne ho so e fe sene o. Ene de.
Oh, no 2 ways.
Oh yes.
Oh, it's kind of similar.
O say now person we can say no 2 ways about that. And I say we can see.
Mummy and sporty.
There be first gentleman of the land. Now
former
first gentleman of the land. Now you call no.
I don't see no 2 ways about that.
That's better. But I say okay and can say what this is.
Obema no nyamfo. Neti kokura fesi manim.
First no baby ah.
Yes.
What yes, me too nanado. Now nanado there.
Mejitumpa.
O mampeni ba ko omo so besoma my Ghana ba ko no waye bi what yes enti ye tele so ya sorry show boy waye bi ami hia ne pa na o ma ne kwatenten ti de ye kan nyina ne say emfa wona wo height we betuma tuntum agum me say mi fura ntoma
ena me hwe
bia me ware a me kwasara ma ase ena me fura ntoma akọ
e bia one Friday bi metutu me kente na betena nam da export
empeni say asrewa o motam kase etu no hwe
na be we de
asrewa o motom
asema mi bisanze na asema mi kawie e ba wo bu yesi mi sen Adjoa
so
asema ye
asrewa
the time on champion Taylor say our appointment in the time as we dey enko
o kire eva no
yes o kire eva no kure ne say empeni say asrewa o motam kase etu no hwe kire say wo so be fura ntoma Friday ene wa kire say o heart ne niam wa enti ya na wa hwe ni ye ebe na mi bu o
eno metra
say ntoma no hwe say o ma ne so nsen because etu hwe a
o fa mi client say o mo bokete no
eno ano no
so mo chichire o mo
ni fa wa say o di na mu enti eno ano no chairman tam ko yenya na kajagum
right abusu me mu adwome mu akwa ba kwan so koso kramra deal 106 Jana mega swemra so agude mu nsam papa ne yemfa so mu dwuma di kase esuwe no ade e kan sanyme no nse kase asuju a wotie nyina wo Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi sanso na baba so no Adjoa Agyei Sikapa sanyme mo nso asi nkonya ade e kan sempo no anyme no nse kase no enso so mofa dusu no besima kadu se man bi se mensuma so magude mu nsam papa no memfa so mu dwuma di esuno sanso nto dwuma di so na bibi bianko ka maika so kocha ana watimi akukyere nsem onya no enso gu nkrata so me besen ma anyme no sanso etimi ato adwuma de enso asra piesie e kwede ma Lumba supermarket brono brand bi a train say dia na se Lumba nspan kwa na so mo kwa mo a enyuma mafa dwuma de nka fly na ma dia 106 rankofon crosso amana ne nkomo latest exclusive ni ano yade ba be go anse so dwuma de so afi sam no ni nyina nso yade ba Lumba nspan kwa ana me kan forma boma dia ne man sanka nso ni na yu dwane show no live on Facebook sanso na dia kan se pono me patro YouTube ne so dia na capital D capital 106 on 9 audio visual presentation and na nyume yade ebe so mo champion Kofitela Iron Boy Kofite ana do se osum ni nyana no enso osum yen sha se fifie eso se mpanifo se ne yedambo ye boa ye sha se fifie ntimi no ka se club offense Ashanti God 04 enso atimi ananse brand offense Fatau Sedu ano eye goalkeeper Ntiamete ene se Ashanti God 04 so no enso tamplayer we so afikuma se Ashanti Kotoga no so eye later samense kanyume no yede nyina so enso sanso na brand ya ye fence Suraju Sif Kama one so Ashanti God 04 so asa timi assign na no so eye report kakra mense ka no so eye nkuma kakra mense ka nwiade nya no enso atu dwanani mo pani a ye friend sempo no me patro coach Nana Akua Jemai wano Nansentema FC Samatex 1996 enso born din se ne wano so me head coach and former club no Nansentema de ni tima ye friend se Broken FC ekopiem ewo Norway na omoso etimi ebo maden akwaji trophy outdoor under 17 under 19 anyway wano ani tima watu wankra ha ana otimi ede omukopiem ewo Norway omukopiem wo Spain sanso na ade kanse Gotia Cup nya no omutimi kwakon kode opani na touch it down wase nkamo bianti say time for pre-season okopiem enso FC Tamates 1996 yentien nana kwaku ajiman komodie
build a club-wide model that would also affect the junior team as well. So I'm coming back to give that club model, put it into Samatex, make sure that we develop these players. Definitely we're going to look at vertical football because we want to get to the goal as quickly as possible. Unlike Vision, who just probably wanted to develop these players, Samatex is looking at winning the league. So their game module is going to be different from the way Vision's game module was. 10 a.m. I'm sure by 8:30 I should be in the room, and then immediately I'm going to hit the ground running.
Where your head coach Edimam Samatex 1996 open your friends and Nana Kwajiman and Koma. One on ready after say what didn't side your friends are Progan FC Copium and so no under 17 under 19 league cups and as upon a tournament outdoor. One suit me called the Jumama City Win Cup now and we had this Uncommon and so to Jana Honorable Speaker of Parliament Openia. Your friends are right honorable Aban Smaina Kingsford Bagben. They say one on say was in next season yes next season. Musa Club FM said Sunderland. Amonso Edua Mujuma English Premier League. Nimsane, one more board game now. Say Sunderland. You are trying to visit Ghana. Maninho Bianwa say partnership no ama wiete no say Sunderland team no enso so ebetimi atwa de kan say visit Ghana enso atwa mu just nanima eno so a new partnership at Ghana enso ne club offense Sunderland so no enso timi abo we no me promote de kan say tourism enso kromo antimasa ne de next season de bibia di damo nti Sunderland team no Ghana for dodo na so betimi support na nema enso konka no so later samense kanwe no yede ni nyina so atu Ghana nyame aduma 2027 Unim say a year under 23 African Cup of Nations, the Black Meteors. Now, as it stands, Openia, your friend said, that's one of fair and a head coach. Sansuana, now, Yao Braco, a assistant Openia friend said, Babanu Adams. And my Penifomia and Saway, and a woman so at me, Black Meteors, Ghana under 23 side no. Almost so at me, I can say line up and I said, Tim no. And so at me about one thing, when no a campaigner, and also about me, I told you, proud to Yamia Duma 2027. African Cup of Nations and also better to report I can say as a stand scarf and so to me and my be a roasting right no so one on a hosting tournament and a simple no send and also to report mete and it says team na banti kofi buana fe what project team no na say no peba ya red team ni mu say say ya the players are almost to me nya call up and almost bet me our company ya the nyina no and so to janti just one of our head coach and so the black meteors of Ghana and Ghana under 23 team no and so etimi at the squad number Montia and you made this Uncommon and so to Jana Brekum Chelsea and so near Brantia your friends are Stephen Kwache and so etimi we are Brantia Bekai now some years ago no second man nation Sansua and Uncle Payment so at Diana Football Club a day on also etimi Johnny Brekum Chelsea and you made this Uncommon and so to Jana Midjama Sporting Club player friends Prince Usu reporter meeting said my friends said Greek say club ba ko ha ono nso when trials na brante no enso so etimi ekoba eno nso reporter mense ka brante obeka is at some point in time kra no ono nso timi enya ade kan sempo no nod no ana sempo onya kwan ekwadwane the senior soccer team the Blasters of Ghana board games outdoor ena me no ka say no kopie menso Greek club bia eno nso reporter enyime mense ka dinya no enso to George Madi ensina Ebenezer Amo enso so atimi any house of folk enso trainer no enso nkoma akra me say kanti in the coming days say house of folk omo ban no and you may later see now I beto ja as you say Ebenezer Amo enso so ebetimi asan am house of folk and asempo no empanifo so betimi show keen interest na brand no enso atimi ene o ma di juma next season no and also boachi bi na no so later sa me say kadinya no enso atuja na me no ka say dia Swedro All Blacks enso so atimi ana so pani a friends Kwame Twumasi Dankwa say oye club CEO enti chief executive officer no Swedro Blacks yamfa ntuja so pani na je friends Kwame Twumasi Dankwa ana sem pani fo so atimi aboni di na me di nkomo enso fa house for club no say unim sa nansentema bedi nkomo so kire say ne FIFA enso atimi abani house for esan say omo former technical director opani a friends Rene Hendrick wano omo deneka and then tia meeting say house of company for so timi akwa clerk no and say omo twen FIFA approval FIFA ebe yishema say masa sika no opani ne nsaka a hating account and sakra ana say yebetimi a lift ban na simple no yebetimi ama approval say house of folk and so betimi aton asa to play no so eyankoma aka fi oban command yanka dos na mom emre no konti o see form ye ba fly number dia 1069 kan ketes Lumba super and confirm close later see deba.
Natural mineral water. Lumba in super. Natural mineral water. Get a grip. That's super break. Lumba in super. Natural mineral water. Get a grip. That's super break.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
DL Power Sports. DL Power Sports.
Right, Abushegu Swasin, Koyaso Kan Ketas Lumba, Spanyu, meeting Comachos and Suman Swa, Abajama, FD, Fonso Timida, Mustam Passiso, Lumba, Jumadia Biaudi, and Fu and Quadano Mukosku Yansua, and Pempia Travis outdoor, Jumadia BNA, Wood in Lumba, Supan Quana may come from a Bomade, Naman San Cambioma Dama, fly number dear 106 and Cofon Cross, and Commano, later says Cruciviano, and me are Jim Radinia Soba, Nasa Bibi Biakon, Gayan, Comanasia, Meno Casan himself, Pabedi Common. And so Joseph FIFA, open your friend say Yanni Fantino, and so Timera Mamantin Sene, open your friend say Donald Trump, president, and so the United States of America, and so Timia Bopio Penino administration, and so Timia Aqua Jatu and Sene, and when your son is Betimia Bois, and says, come here, say Federation South Tua, almost to me, Johnny Adia Cancer FIFA, or Biansu Pauline Adia Cancer support, and so for Penny friend say Yanni Fantino, so yeah, and Mayor reporter Mensaka, when no air from Adia Cancer FIFA spokesperson openina dinkoma wasi enkamo biantia so openina friends say Yanni Fantino Mino Casano why FIFA president one Fred Donald Trump bia sanso na USA president openino me patroni administration ono so ntimi emplace ko bianko enti san komana na mabwantia eno so ko fodo na kasene openi so timi akoja to akoche banina je friends say Donald Trump no opensi enkanu kra bia ne ono so later say nyeme mense kadinya no enso tuja no be kai say USA Canada ni Mexico and host 2026 FIFA World Cup no and meeting says FIFA president Penina your friend say Yanni Fantino and so promise USA me patro cities how do almost to me World Cup no when himself 11 cities across USA and so the team pene and so see they can say FIFA World Cup games outdoor and meeting say FIFA president Penina friend say Yanni Fantino so no and so to me promises say cities 11 year and you may meet you come on obemo bia $1 million assistance and come on eba mountain say cities no be anywhere and also say to me kasa $1 million and you almost just omo yati atuanesa and also later some seka yadini nyanso etu judgment is na bibia and so to me konganan sem temabakai somebody come say we no and so Sarah Austin di Madrid me pato wani ya kuro kuma bia eno so ewo Madrid empate mu akra na nsentema ya se jasihia pa enso to dwa na wero eya ade kan se community president anka kromo ebetimi aka se oye mayor ababa ye friend se Isabel Diaz Ayuso wasi yen kamo bianti se Messi la no Messi wano so timi boy wo donate ade kan se 80,000 euros se ne yensanfa enya reconstruction enso ade kan se we no enso sia Austin di Madrid se jasihia na no so to dwa no so eya ade kan se Messi na do no so timi akwa Madrid kro na no pe no yare san koma nyina no enso tu dwa no pani a ye friend se Prince Ali Albin Hussein eya Jordan Football Federation president was he opening a friend say Yan Infantino come here and say one can crash to enchromo essence nansente mamasa obedi din command to do na so ton shares master sikababa sending an opening or person or no etimi eya de ono so one obenya fasu boom wo pensi and fan to just say assistance or no assistance say one so remaining as a can say Jordan F president no one so poli ade can say support and I send vote so for penina your friend say Yan Infantino proud to nyamia duma next year unim say Pradia can say FIFA presidential election and also told you our Cairo Egypt mamu into penina si and yan can more biantia say Yan Infantino me patrono on team to aba and so man no so later sir and me say kadina no and so to your nonsense ma comedy come and so so penny friend say Franco Baresi where former player Edima AC Milan open anyway and Minuka said the woman retire AC Milan jersey number 6 no Obeka during that time on also at age 14 and joining AC Milan at age 18. Now was that a boy game sema AC Milan and yes was starting from bench or commanded starting position and so them AC Milan team no at age 22. Now anyway and so a captain fantastic anima AC Milan club no reporter me say can say and I say yetimi pe panino club ya and to watch any show no live on Facebook Capital D Capital 106.9 and na champion Kofitela Monsa and so yetimi ka video no nto panina je friend say Franco Baresi me no kasa age 66 ono so etimi aka nchirigu ya wadani benkum so no ono so na etimi apa ne crab ya nso ya bad news eno so fi ade aka nse Italy mamu anopa no ana se nwede san komanya no enso tuja na FIFA enso etimi aka cha kwadana ye friend se Gianluno Calopo se masa we agent na se utimi kwatwa ne ka se ni agent opani ye friend se Leandro Escudero unim se wade ne ka $530,000 ni nyina so akwara we wonya ne contract wasan ne contract River Plate ano di agent ni sim say FIFA si yen kana akwada we ntia say wena ya Juliano Galopo say masa wan ko tua sa $530,000 na ye be bande ni 6 months until that debt no and say sa kana no so betime ye fi o e de ma ni agent opani e friend say Leandro Escudero and sa kra no so betime lift ban no and so fi no so later some say kan me no ye de ni nyina so to dwa na Anthony Taylor e referee and Ebeka during that time USA World Cup no told after so Paniwen so timi kwaye e co-officiate games outdoor no after World Cup no Paniwen so the announcement ne ba monte say won timi to so enya referee biem say ntia meeting say ukopiem e wo Turkey man mu dia Football Federation no enso e de kan say elite referee ade kan say director no enso dem opania je friend say Anthony Taylor in the coming days no we want say Anthony Taylor and make decisions outdoor enso Turkish football mu and we dey komanya no enso tuja na Russia finally say yo fans wetimi alif to mo ban anti Kofi Buana fe yendi san komano Obeka is at some point in time Vladimir Putin one of president adema Russia mino any Ukraine fonso enya masa santo kwa na no adin brutal and then Russia say masa mo kan ho men kwa kan neto ho any kwan say do kwa ka ko for neto masa na Ukraine fonso say hin ya masa ye mesum bia eno na nam so ntokwa si kromu ana se pono ewiasema nyina nam so bi Ghana economy tete u fa ba bia babusa bibia as Russia Ukraine war and tia meeting say UEFA for lifted banner amede to ade kan say Russia football so enti the coming year na nyame aduma 2028 Euros ebeto dwa e wo England no say UEFA for say Russia and so betimi abobia no so good news anwe no yen second ahunza na ka 18 teams and also nations and ekohia and so ayisa ade kan say European League no and also European competition no and so say Russia UEFA for so dem abeka no ama clubs and also on mine no and so timi akwa 19 mi ade san koma no and so tuja na Mark Andre Ter Stegen and she a goalkeeper at my pass and me later Samegada and he says say ayas ana oko when no a long spell enti Mark Andre ter Stegen says waiting after so penny we pray akoni nam Gerona ni atiate wa baba kwenti me command Vladia can say go post no and a brand friends say one Garcia and so timi atu no says him waiting enti ayas and penny phone so te and e one call na say one ko dijuma and ya lona and me say kedi nya no and so to just say African Cup of Nations when no women semana so onim say gusu aktoja Morocco ana games how do no etoja na stance ya do final round of games our group stage and na ukopem group B 8 p.m. simultaneously Burkina Faso and South Africa ebo ana Tanzania and so no my friends Ivory Coast and so and ebo no and so nkoma akefu ba nkoma ndi anke dos nemom Emrano ko international DJ Afiba enya trans enwumre ya wose ode awoso no enso so etimi adebe woso nti agudemu nsema bobo anu nya no jam fancy asira PSA enkoma Mike so coacha sa brano brand bia no timi ku kire nsem na so ne so na ese wode my nefe ene ya betrans ya jimre enso ede ni nyina enso ebe down yanda ade kan se ebu producer team na se ebu sports team ni nyina se led by Mr. Kwame Afum Kenneth Tata odi sika brand Jesse Michael Awuno Borama mu nyina enso Tata kire nyimre no yade nkoma no enso ba Lumba super ene timi boa efa dwumadi nyina oka nwumai onsanka bia mobanden na ma onsanka bia madama na ade agude mu nsam no enso ebro champion Kofitela Iron Boy Kofite emadudu okunu enso etimi ade yakopiem ewo social media platforms awdo no so midin ade besima kadusai ubetimi afreme man bise na ofasi yakwa ne sa
oh yeah
enti mama ntia samje enwumen super ankune tilapia ni todwa ho enti wo pese wo di bankune tilapia Philippadia samje nti samje onura Mr. Samuel Hinafo ma menchiam na fe machia bema ya nso ya backing stock empa bo papa de bema zongo ni ma Baptist school na chi na bema ya nso ana fe La Jones collection miama de nyina La Jones ene ye manta de memanta de na pese pam kaftan dia La Jones collection no so tema committee 1 nti La Jones ma menchia na watwi ma mentonka why La Jones we heavy pa ma mentonka ni roda munya action nti La Jones ma menchia na Miss Rita ono so si wa biema woni kama wo mandita dwumade na fei ukopie mu achimota nso a Dr. Steven Yaboa oya dwuma ewo Heart Hearing Clinic wa ENT specialist manya ne ntia so no nso biema wo mandita dwumade ndi wofa mami faunsi
okay
mami faunsi
yo meda se pa me wofa se Bismarck eduse man pise ena wote ne nka se ode akopama so nsembe so me na menim de ntia ode madudu okunu aka champion tailor din ne ho because nipa de wote hwa wo wi ofonsa na wahwe onsa nipa nche nipa na ho wi ti an hwe chena na adu unua atunso hwem ti next time o say
adena asema make am boni nim kra beso prem ko tu
say me prem untu boni o say ko vitela
ma go a nice guy
ento ya madudu ku no
enyo say bia wa ware dudu o be
don be say me hu say
no na crash on ko fi
am for crash on
oh yes
oh sir no ya we
enya bosirem kasam ne
ono anya we o
memi wo ha mami
sija na ono sija na odi o
bese me wo ha
oto ma adakwa tailor
obi mo fe obi ma che say o de fa kofi na mama me keke I'm telling you
e wo kroma
da bia ma na kroma de kofi ondi na go
amanfo pacha so mu hia kofi tailor ma brabom
just ne number keke
ena mo fa si wa mu hia number na kura
keke number keke
wow pe mo boata
yeah Kofi you a nice guy.
O say ye ho anya ha obeko fie agyan.
Kofi.
Mutumi say nkontia ya to bentum. Soroko tam asan. Ka me kan kire sem Jane say o ma metam meba. Meba nya me nkwa na meba.
Ebia.
Meni sikapa na beko.
Adjoa.
Ka kire ne say o nto me nkra meni sikapa.
Adjoa na nsema Adjoa chi gu ana sa Adjoa isuru. Adjoa.
Ense azigi na beba kurum no. Obi abo no ho ban.
Hey, Adjoa.
yanko yatama so champion tell oni ebedia obini ebedia yanko enti Bismarck na ten kan ka se woni ye de se musemu fo ya Miss Mabel antwa ho fedua na ni abada gideja ni trim se kire sa homa oba ne ho ofisi esa kese bi mu mayen na owie ye na me wo faasefo be no omosene ntafo Unimark fo nkwara omani adin bruta de odi kan ya me wo faase Emmanuel wasanya akon akete ena afei Tomrosie me wo faase Regina Bafo omo boy o kase bodem omo wie ye na champion tailor edi PM wa be fonten kase ne so a Facebook NF YouTube ma wote ye nka DJ Ziggy B ebadwumaden echinchim kasefrem fo madosum ye numre akenkan fo ye banu tu edi ameje so ye wofa o se ade de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy P ma wutedi ni bantwere bona na otafri jamene mo fa se ba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
I say o voice no we are so sexy numre ede ade ya ede ya ede na wahuna numre I say o ka say nice why so sexy ede ya yeah na kwa fa so a wo se dan wudi ni ye de yin
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
me ma o English session bi na be kan kase wo English man na news in brief in English oba be ye ya do be hye ahomache prem to bre e bo ahomache do mienu a woni abayifo no menwen ya de masi na ya kɔ no adi afiba na betena se free sam le kopim nondu radio no wafa ejize bi abo nondu ansa DJ Zigibi abeje na ode akwisia no pa edihia na nwom nko akasa bi anim ye na ye kasa na ya pon aka onyombofo no nko ane ba DJ si na be ya adwuma bɔ nwom kopem yankopɔ ya adom ekena no pa na nkɔma de akire ni kwam papa bi se woni mo no kwam papa bi all the way Amsterdam abrochiri mamu ode bi aba ye fa ne se den etwi se fie be ye de na won kan ya no obetumi aso blue bob de a
na red one bi
ene red one bi a na esetwi mesrɛ mo ada enwum we na ba Ghana fo nyina ba bia paps ba bia be ko bia no na ekɔ event bia se si akra no free group for no o se mo sua to oh yeah Mr. Philip Aboagye ne mlante na sua nwum we to
matekra senche la be warranty no
better Emmanuel yo se nya akɔ akete
yeah
yo yate Regina de onyan kan kire me na se onam kwan so de a ba eden ya impedensi sabe atwem ro ayempam ho danta ewura be pam e de ahye no enti yentwa yansa e kire din enti ne kwasem nyansa so ka menwom no ye fa ne se twi all the digital platforms na wo so Spotify any boom pre ba bia and YouTube no se ye den kwam papa bi official YouTube just bi bia dem kama follow no wate na no ho da ya krama nwuma ba ye twi kwam papa bi featuring she emu odesa no manam ya ne yakro no